Nothing like a little weekend send. Gotta get out there, check it out.
What's up, Pickle?
What's going on, Seldy?
Something different this weekend, eh? We last what we think is going to be the warm weather of summer, and then into the mud floor driving and wet weather skiing. So we're doing something different. What are we doing?
Well, we're just taking a little bit of a bush track. As you can see, it's very bumpy. Thanks for that one, Seldy. That was a stitch up for sure. Yeah, so we're just going down the track. Gonna do a bit of forward driving, hopefully hit some dunes, maybe park up somewhere near the beach and have a little bit of lunch.
You're up here a couple of weeks ago, right? Or maybe a little bit longer than that, a month ago with your grandparents?
Yeah, that's right, similar spot. At least this one seems a little bit more tame, and let's hope we don't get lost this time.
We won't get lost, we've got a Leah.
Casual Sunday, nothing like last minute living, just a little day trip. We'll show you how easy it is to get out there and yeah, have a little day trip and enjoy what's left of the warmer weather.
Yeah, we love this weather, so we're going to definitely enjoy today. So we're going to hit the dunes, hit some forward drive tracks, find hopefully a couple of little camping spots we can come back to next time. So before we head back this afternoon for work.
That's it, and then the working week will continue. Alrighty, let's go.
Okay, so we just arrived at this stunning location. Look at that. So we thought we'd set up a little spot here up on the hill with this magnificent view. Grabbed out some sausages. I'm going to cook up a bit of a barbie, have a feed, sit down and enjoy the sunshine. It's like 28 or something today. Not much wind. And yeah, have a drink.
I want to see what one has the most.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see. Cause the pain is in my
Rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling on the river. Rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling and
Rolling my pop, oh no. They're not here.
They're not.
Well,
They
last
actually
time.
should have.
Should have, oh no, they couldn't come.
next
Nick's
time.
on.
Next time.
Anyway, it's a good afternoon.
Sun's
The-
going down.
Yeah, got to make tracks, otherwise probably catch traffic or something, I don't know.
So no, this is Misha's send off today, so
Yeah, we're giving her the reins.
go.
Bye.
That's it.
Thanks for watching. See you
Alright,
next time.
We're gonna go air up and head back to the city. Until then, I suppose hopefully we can keep them subscribers rolling. That's good. Give us plenty of likes on the videos if you like this content. We'll try and do some more over winter. We're not going to stop, so we'll see you at 1,000.
Woo!
End game. Let's go.
Ciao. Rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling on the river. Rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling and
Rolling my pop, oh no. They're not here.